mientras estemos caminando, cantando, bailando, cocinando o hasta dándole un beso al novio, no hay problema. En cualquier momento vamos a seguir hilando así de esta forma. After washing, we spin the wool. We can do this activity when we are dancing, cooking, or kisses my boyfriend. It isn't problem. Nosotras, después de realizar las hebras, los hilos, pasamos a otro proceso. Moray is a medicinal plant. This is two small circles represent the likes of Chinchero. Moray represent the woman and Walpo represent the man. In this design representing Catrail to Machu Picchu. Así de esta forma es como nosotras estamos elaborando nuestras prendas en este lugar. Lo que nosotras estamos utilizando.
This is the Incan sector, eh? We can see the style of construction is a little bit different. El estilo de construcción es un poquito diferente, ¿no? Amigos míos, resulta pues que el siglo XV fue un periodo memorable.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the archaeological site of Chinchero here in Peru. We done like an organized tour for one day. They will eventually drop us off at Ollantaytambo. From there we've got a train to Aguascalientes this evening. That is the base town if you want to go and visit Machu Picchu. So quite good. We've got a guide which has explained a few things about this site and I will share it with you. Basically up there on the top of that hill, that is the first Catholic church in the Cusco area. I think you're talking about 1600s. Plus the base, all those rocks there, those are Incan ruins. So all these stones here would have been part of that palace. As well as those ones down there. This was Moray, right in the sacred valley. At first glance it looks like an amphitheatre, but really these concentric terraces were built by the Incas as an agricultural laboratory. We're going to go and visit Moray salt mines. There we go.
And I try not to worry about what I can't control or what hasn't happened yet.
Salineras de Moray.
Piedras normales que se han colocado, sino que por la caída de la... Así como estas, mira.
The Salineras de Moray is made up to more than 3,000 natural salt wells near the town of Moray. Each of the well has a dimension of 5 square meters. These 3,000 pools are fed by an underground hypersaline spring that originated 110 million years ago during the formation of the Andes Mountains. The inhabitants of Moray sold this salt just as the Incas did hundreds of years ago.
cirka 3 millioner.
As part of the tour, Ollantaytambo. I think we need to climb right up the top. Let's do it.
Don't forget, was the fusion of many pre-Incas, more than 200. So in everywhere we can find pre-Inca evidence, right? Machu Picchu.
This was Ollantaytambo, also called Ollanta, is the best surviving example of Inca city planning, with narrow cobblestone streets that have been constantly inhabited since the 13th century.
Excelente, muy bien, señores. Sáquense algunas fotografías y luego bajamos con las gradas de la mano izquierda, por favor, ¿ok? Muy bien, ahora.
That was quite a bit of a walk up there. Well worth seeing, in my opinion. Right, so this is the end of the tour for us. Some of the other ones, they're going to go to Pisac, but us, we're going to stop here. So next we've got a train which is supposed to leave at 7 o'clock. So we're just going to hang around here, have a coffee or something, and wait for the train to Aguascalientes.